Dearest Yumi, Hi Yum, good day. I just want to say happy 16th birthday to you. Char, 16 na siya, tiguwang na jud kayo. Yum, alam naming ikaw ang pinakabunso sa grupo. And we don't know kung bakit birthday mo ang isa sa mga pinaka-importante sa lahat. Siguro Yum, special child manggod ka sa amo. Mels, Yum, you just don't know but God knows that I'm very thankful to have you as my friend. Thank you for all the moments that we had, for all the things you have contributed into my high school life. And I did cherish them all, and I will do cherish them all as days and years pass by. Stay humble, pretty good, and have faith in him, si bro. Just don't forget him above all, and your wishes will come true. Thanks for the friendship, learnings, and awesome days we shared each other. Love Jo Aimee Hersha VUB will always be there for you. Ayo jud ko kalimtiyom ha. Bantay lang ka. Kita-kita ta sa Metrobank, Land Bank, or whatsoever banks there. Haha. Sooner you'll be Naomi A. Villahermosa, CPA. God bless you and I love you so much. More hugs. Nemi.